5 months. That's roughly how much time you have before YouTube's new monetization requirements are scheduled to take effect. And if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this might be the worst time to keep saying, "I'll start later." Because starting before February 1st, 2027 could give you a huge advantage. Right now, the standard YouTube Partner Program requirement for full ad revenue eligibility is 1,000 subscribers, plus 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million valid public shorts views in 90 days. But starting February 1st, those targets are expected to become 8,000 watch hours or 20 million shorts views, while the 1,000 subscriber requirement stays the same. So if you're planning to start eventually, why wait? The first thing you need to do is pick a niche. And please don't make the mistake of uploading gaming today, fitness tomorrow, then a random movie review the next day. Give people a reason to subscribe. Pick one audience and start making videos specifically for them. Second, stop waiting for perfect equipment. You don't need a $2,000 camera to start. If you have a decent phone, you already have enough to make your first video. Your first goal isn't to make a masterpiece, it's to learn. Learn how to write better hooks, make better thumbnails, keep people watching, and understand what your audience actually clicks on. Third, focus on topics people already care about. Don't just ask yourself, "What do I want to upload?" Ask, "What would someone actually click on?" Because getting monetized isn't about uploading the most videos. It's about creating videos people want to watch. And this is where the next 6 months become important. You have time to experiment. You can upload, study your analytics, figure out what works, kill what doesn't work, and improve with every video. Maybe your first 10 videos get almost nothing. That's normal. But video number 30 could be completely different because you're no longer the same creator who made video number 1. And finally, build videos that make people want to watch another video. One good video can bring you viewers. A collection of connected, binge-worthy videos can turn those viewers into subscribers and generate far more watch time. So don't look at these 6 months as a countdown to panic. Look at them as your head start. Because when February 1st, 2027 arrives, there will be thousands of people saying, "I should have started earlier." You don't have to be one of them. You don't need to have everything figured out. Pick your niche. Make the first video. Learn. Improve. Then make the next one. Because the best time to start a YouTube channel might not be next year. It might be today. Thanks for watching.